Guys, we're doing double chili cheeseburger on my Ninja Foodi Grill. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. And if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you can get all alerts on what we're doing here. All right? And don't forget to hit that like button too, because you know you're gonna like this one. It's chili, it's cheese, it's hamburger. Nothing is better. All right? So I wanted a big, fat, juicy, drippy, messy, chili, cheesy goodness burger. And I decided to use my Ninja Foodi Grill. We're using Hormel Chili. All right, we're not making a homemade chili here. We got Hormel Chili, the best canned chili I think you can get. You know, if you want to fight me in the comments, go ahead. And it's no beans. We ain't putting beans on this hamburger. All right. So, real simple, dude. We're gonna grill these hamburgers up. Grill setting high. We're using the classic barbecue rub from Fire and Smoke Barbecue. The link down below. Not a sponsored. Nothing like that. I've actually paid for the rub. It's just good. It's all right. It's just good, so give it a shot. All right. Come on over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station and let's make this massive, juicy, I can't wait, make this burger. All right. Come on up. All right, let's get started on this. We got our MeatDistrict, the OG. I love the stuff. It is so good. The flavors, the brisket, the short rib. It's good to go. Get this out of my local grocery store. Before we start setting this up, let's set up the Foodi Grill. We're gonna do grill high. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep, grill high, 500 degrees. And let's start that preheating process. We're gonna go about 4 minutes aside, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, but we're gonna keep an eye on it. Okay. Let's get this open and prepared. Just gonna season up our burgers while we wait for it to preheat. Again, this is the classic, just the barbecue rub. It's just salt, pepper, garlic, little onion powder, but it's great for burgers like this. All right, so we're just gonna pour a little bit on. All right, pat it down. Get those done. Alright, we'll just wait for those to, once we get them, we'll flip them onto the grill and then season the other side. Alright, with this Hormel chili, we are just going to get it in a cup here, microwave safe dish. Oh, down that look lovely. Get it mixed up a little bit. Yeah, that looks a little better. We're just gonna heat this through in the microwave. Easy can be. Okay, we're ready to go. Time to get these on the grill. Look at that sizzle. Okay, season it up a little bit. The other side, whoa, a little bit much. All right, get it closed down. I'm gonna check it after a couple, 3 minutes. 4 minutes in, we're gonna flip these bad boys. We're gonna let it go a couple more minutes and then we'll throw some cheese on and we'll be ready. Okay, we're a couple more minutes in. So now what we're gonna do is add the cheese to the top of these. cheese to the top of these. And we're gonna toast up one of the buns. You want toasted buns with this chili cheese so it stands up to the chili. We got one piece of cheddar for Mrs. CJ. Got that ready. Let's put our buns in there too. We want to get those nice and toasted up. 30 seconds, good to go. All right, we got a nice little toast on the bun. Grab the other one out of here. Let's build this burger, okay? Let's get our cheesy cheeseburger out. Get our other cheeseburger on there. Let's get our chili on this bad boy. Let's stack that up a little bit better. Oh, it's gonna be messy. Don't you worry. It's gonna be messy goodness. Oh yeah. Let's crown that bad boy right there. Come on back for the taste test. All right, guys. I know I'm a little close up here, but let's take a big old bite out of this thing. It's gonna be messy. Look at that. Look at that. What you know about that? So messy. I got paper towel. I think I got it all. Alright guys, it's a messy one, but it is delicious. So good. So good that it's making my wife work on a Saturday. If you can hear the cook. I'm trying to have a professional food video over here.
Sorry. Not really.
Not really. Alright guys, give this one a try. Let me know what you think. Beans or no beans. The biggest fight in world history. Beans versus no beans in your chili. Anyway. Alright guys, if you want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi Grills, links down below. Want to get yourself some Cooking with CJ merch, links down below. Dope hat like this, links down below. My cutting boards, everything I use on my videos, down below. Hit show more. Guys, if you got this far and you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you want to become a real member of CJ's crew, become a show producer, click this link right here to Patreon. Become a real member of CJ's crew. Alright, helps out the channel. Every little bit helps. Little behind the scenes stuff out there. It's good to go. Alright, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.